attention, forgetting all of my cards and kayang mag-isa pero mas gusto with ya. Parang mapabaliw and I don't get to see ya. Sana'y nandi umasa, parang gusto with ya. I'm independent but I think I'm
Hello sa inyo lahat, mga picture encoders o baka naman tagagawa ng washing machine. Hindi, joke lang. So ngayon, ipapaliwanag namin o kaya ipapakita namin kung paano namin kinuot ito, kung paano nagpo-flow, kung paano manilagay namin, lahat. So tara!
This project combines all required programming components into a fully operational payslip management system. It starts by collecting various user entries, including employee full name, unique ID, hourly wage, total hours, and tenure length, all of which illustrate effective input and output management. The program carries out multiple calculations to figure out gross earnings, withholdings, take home pay, and split payment portions, demonstrating proficiency with arithmetic operations and variable handling. Program flow is governed by a full range of conditional logic, such as basic if checks for overtime and withholding rates, plus a switch case interface for user choices. Different loop types also serve key purposes. A while loop validates entries for hourly wage and hours worked, and a do while loop keeps the menu active until the user selects to close the system. For better modularity and code structure, the system uses custom-built functions like computer gross earnings, compute withholdings, compute take-home pay, and show payslip. Together, these elements create a unified, streamlined, and educational payslip tool that satisfies all project criteria.
Salary payslip system follows a certain step of calculating and showing the monthly salary or wage. It firstly takes the employee details from the user and includes the basic salary, allowance, and deduction too. It validates all the information which is given at the most, then the program moves to calculate the gross salary, the deduction, and the net salary. After calculation and generate the payslip in correct and formatted manner, showing all the payments and deductions and also the final amount. The program of payslip has resolved certain problems in traditional manual payroll system, such as error in salary calculation, that are usually made by manual work, the amount of time, reliable source of the record of their payslip, and giving the organization a more organized and reliable record of its payslip.
So, yung unang lalabas sa program natin, pag nira natin, is yung payslip processing system, yung menu. Meron ditong dalawang pamimilian. Yung number 1, process employer payslip. Yung number 2 is exit. Pag pinili natin yung number 1, ang lalabas, magtatanong yung system natin na i-enter yung employee name. So, ang ilalagay natin dito is Anika. So, pagka-enter natin ng pangalan ng Anika, ang susunod na lalabas dito is magtatanong ulit yung system ng employee ID. So, ang i-assume natin ng ID ni Anika is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, pag enter natin ito, ang susunod na lalabas dito is magtatanong ulit yung system. Itatanong nito yung hourly rate. So, ilalagay natin dito, sabihin natin 200 pesos yung rate ni Anika. Tapos, pag in-enter natin to, ang lalabas dito, magtatanong ulit yung system. Ang itatanong naman nito is kung ilang oras si Anika nagtrabaho. So, sabihin natin 8 hours. So, pag in-enter natin yung 8, ang lalabas naman is magtatanong ulit yung system kung ilang taon na siya nagtatrabaho sa company. So, ilalagay natin 3 years. So, pag in-enter natin yung 3 years, lalabas na yung official payslip.
So, pagkatapos po namin nag-input ng data, lalabas naman yung official payslip. Dito, makikita yung mga pangalan ng employee, ID, hourly rate, hours worked, years of service, pati na rin yung gross pay. So, basically, yung total na kumita niya sa 8 hours trabaho. Kasunod naman ito, makikita rin yung deduction. Dito po kinakalkal yung mga tax at iba pang bawas. Pagkatapos ng bawas lahat, yung net pay na lalabas para sa isang araw na 8 hours ay 1,360 kasi ito na yung amount pagkatapos alisin yung mga dapat gagasin. So, next naman tayo, para naman tayo sa first half. Nandito yung kalahati ng total ng bayad. So, next naman, sa second half, nandito naman yung natitirang kalahati mula sa first half para mabuo yung gross pay.
So, pagtapos mabas ng payslip, babalik ulit yung menu na may dalawang pagpipilian, 1 at 2. Siyempre, mag-proceed ulit tayo sa option 1. Pag-select natin ng 1, lalabas naman ngayon si employee 2. Tapos, tatanungin ulit tayo ng system kung ano yung employee ID. Pag-enter natin yung ID, magtatanong naman siya ng hourly rate, ilalagay natin dito yung 150, then enter. So, susunod, tatanungin ng system kung ilang oras nagtrabaho yung employee. Ilalagay natin 10 hours, then enter ulit. Pagtapos nun, magtatanong pa yung system kung ilang taon na siya nagtrabaho. Ilalagay natin 4 years, tapos enter. At pagtapos ng ilang input, lalabas ulit yung official payslip. Kompleto na ulit yung details.
Pagkatapos ma-input lahat ng data, lalabas ulit yung official payslip. Tapos ang pangalan mo, kunyari pangalan mo, employee name, Clarence. Yung employee ID mo, 54321. Yung hourly rate, 150. Kada oras mo, 150. Tapos hours work, 10 hours. Tapos 4 na taon ka nag-service, years of service, 4 years. Tapos yung gross pay mo, yung kabuuan ng 10 hours mo, ganun, 1,500. Tapos deduction, siyempre tax, sa Pilipinas tayo, hindi naman tayo tax free, 275. Tapos pagka nakaltas sa lahat yan, ang magiging sweldo mo talaga is yung net pay mo, which is 1,275. Tapos pagka first half pay, 635.50, second half pay, siyempre hati na, 637.50.
Pagkatapos nun, lalabas ang menu ulit. Pwede kayo mamili kung process employee payslip or exit. Pero kung gusto nyo mag-proceed sa employee 3, pindutin nyo lang 1 tsaka enter. Pero hindi na tayo mag-proceed doon. Kasi tapos na tayo. So mag-exit na tayo. Ang pipindutin natin ay 2. So hindi na magtatanong ang system. Ang lalabas na lang, exiting payslip system. Payslip processing complete 2. To employee process.